Hi, I'm Travis, the owner of Spectrum Overhead Door. If you're looking for garage door service
In the Humble area.
you should always choose us as your go-to company. What really sets us apart from other companies is that we really listen to our customers. We work with you to always try to stay within your budget. We strive to always deliver the three peers of our company: integrity, professionalism, and presenting the highest value that we possibly can to our customers. If you are calling from Humble today, you will either be speaking to me or my office staff, Cory and Cece.
My name is Cory. I'm the service manager here at Spectrum Overhead Door.
Hi, I'm Cece, one of the dispatchers here.
I'm going to make sure everything is running smooth with our field technicians on the service side of our company.
I'll make sure to pair you with the right technician that can best help you out.
I would be very happy to answer any questions or concerns you might have regarding our company. I'm going to be the one that writes up all your custom quotes, estimates, anything unique that you're looking for. I'm the person that's going to handle that for you.
I'd be happy to speak with you and help you out with any of your garage door or your gate repairs.
I'm also going to be the one to order all your doors in a very timely fashion and make sure everything is running smooth and gets here the way it should. Me and Cece, our other dispatcher here, work very closely together to make sure everything is running very smooth and everybody is on time and where they need to be.
It is always our goal to provide speedy and on-time services. Our services are always 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Give us a call today. I know you won't regret it.